amazing meal. So, wow, you know what? You've been at home. Do you even know the day of the week? Well, Easter is coming upon us very quickly, and we want this Easter to be extra special. M Culinary, they have been a catering company for 20 years. I promise you, you have had their catering. They do F&B for Waste Management Phoenix Open. They've been at Barrett Jackson, and they do really exclusive, high-end, beautiful catering. And I cannot wait to show you what M Culinary has up their sleeves. This is the best, most amazing way to get an Easter dinner that's fresh, hot off the press. Everything is a la carte. We've got 3 different proteins. So we have a ham. Now the coolest part about all this is it comes fresh, ready to cook. It's not cooked yet. So your dinner is gonna be completely warm. I have all of the directions to cook because you know I am not a cook. So here's my little cheat sheet. First thing we have is ham. This is only gonna need a half a cup of water in the pan. And then I'm gonna cover it with aluminum foil. It's gonna cook for 15 to 20 minutes and amazing dinner done. Here's the pork loin. Chicken, which has an amazing juice, a citrus juice that goes with it. Each one of these entrees or sides feeds 6. Like even these pans that it comes in, they're already oven safe, ready to go. They're beautiful. Like you don't have to do anything. This is literally throw in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes and your dinner is served. We've got the garlic butter broccolini. So it's rosemary scented pork loin with basil and rosemary pesto. Smoked ham. Ooh, the smoked ham comes with cinnamon applesauce, or the citrus chicken breast with citrus natural juice. Of course I'm gonna say this all wrong. You guys know how good I am in the kitchen. No, I showed you the garlic butter broccolini. There's also white cheddar potatoes, au gratin with onion dust. And then are the candied yams with marshmallows. You know, I'm gonna put on my apron. I'm gonna look like I'm really good in the kitchen, and I'm gonna cook this up. Iceberg wedge salad. It's not dressed yet. There's a blue cheese dressing. You got the bacon bits on the side ready to go. So I love this because it is so fresh, ready to go. Okay, so the other salad is a mixed local greens with tomatoes, cucumber, and feta. You can decide if you're having 12 people for dinner. Social distancing, only 10. Just kidding. Just make them sit very far away. So if you're having 6 people for dinner, maybe get a protein, a couple sides, but wait, it keeps getting better. I haven't shown it all to you. If you're looking to do something amazing, simple, that tastes great, that's gonna be hot off the press, straight out of the oven, you're gonna look like Chef Boyardee. Dinner rolls, those look amazing, fresh. We also have cornbread. Again, this is for 6 people. I mean, does this cheesecake look gorgeous? Cheesecake with a strawberry topping that's fresh. An apple pie, and the apple pie comes with a chantilly cream. So can you say yum, yum, and yum? And guess what? No effort. So I know you guys have been spending a lot of time in the kitchen cooking, as I have been too, and the last thing I want to do on Easter is cook a big meal. And so here it is. It's fresh. It's ready to go. You pick it up on Saturday or Sunday. You have to order before Thursday at 3 p.m. Don't eat the cake, but it's pie. And I never say don't eat the pie, so I guess you're free. Can you say it's a no-brainer? Like a total no-brainer. M Culinary, you guys, they are the culinary catering crew in town. Been around for 20 years. They're totally amazing. And you know what? We're not having big events right now, so guess what? They're bringing the events to your home. Go to www.easter2go.com. Because I'm gonna have some fun right now. You know what? This is the way I like to cook. Just put it in the oven. 15 minutes later, amazing dinner served. What do you think? You with me? www.easter2go.com. Happy Easter, everybody.